back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very special one because it is my very first ever collab with another YouTuber, and it's even more special because it's with my friend Belinda Selene. She has amazing content here on YouTube. She has a ton of clean with me videos on her channel. She also has style videos, beauty videos, and she just has incredible style, and I just absolutely love the way she decorates her house. So if you guys are looking for more inspiration on tidying up your house or style tips or decor tips for your home, definitely head on over to her channel. Also head on over to her Instagram. I'll leave all that information linked down below. And I'm just so excited that we finally got to do this collab video. We had been talking about it for quite a bit and it was just the perfect timing. In today's video, I will be doing a little bit of packing. As some of you guys may know, Joel and I recently bought a house and it is not done yet. I have shown you guys a few updates here on my channel and as well as on my Instagram, but it is slowly coming along and we have all the electrical work in, we moved the furnace, a lot of big things have happened, but if you just walked into the house you would think like, nothing is done here, there are no walls, it is very bare bones still, but Joel also changed out the windows, so we have new windows. I'm so excited because the old ones had leaky gas and they had like all that condensation inside of the windows. So our new windows are really nice and they're energy efficient. So while the house is getting ready, I thought I would do this video for you guys. It's a pack with me and clean with me video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be doing a little bit of packing of the things that I know I'm not going to use anytime soon, or things that I have too much of that I can definitely pack away, store away, so that when it gets closer to the time to move into the house, I have a lot of things ready to go and I'm not scrambling last minute to pack everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get to packing. I found the perfect space in my apartment to start storing all of these items that I'm not going to use that are for the house. So what I decided to do was first clean it up by wiping it down with my Swiffer, and then that way when I start putting all the boxes on top of it, they're not going to be super dusty, or at least not towards the bottom, because it will be nice and clean. I really love using the Swiffer because it's so easy to use and it just smells really good, and I actually found a ton of these Swiffer wipes on sale at Target one day, so I bought like 3 boxes, so I'm fully stocked and I'll be definitely taking those with me to the new house. So I'm first going to start off with some Christmas decor. If you guys have been watching my channel for a bit, you will notice some of this decor is from last year's Christmas that I'm going to be taking with me. So obviously I'm not going to be using any of that stuff right now, so I wanted to put that towards the back of the pile because Christmas is not for many more months. And along with that, I also brought out my Halloween stuff, costumes that I had in my closet, especially like my wig and stuff that I used last year. And I also brought out my face paint stuff that was hanging out at the bottom of my closet. And so I decided I want to put that all in a bin so all the Halloween stuff can stay together, and also put that towards the back of the pile because I will not be using any of this anytime soon. And having all of my face paints inside of this little bin, it tends to get really messy and dirty. I used to actually do face painting at parties a couple years ago, so I used to use this little bin and I never had a chance to like fully clean it out. So I'm using these 7th generation disinfecting wipes. They are really good, and I'm just using them to wipe down the bin before I put all the items that I know I'm going to keep for Halloween or for face painting in the future. And I have this little face painting book in there that I'm like, I should definitely keep this because I don't know if I'm going to be doing any type of face painting in the near future. But I love my latex glue. If you guys have watched any of my Halloween videos, I show you guys how I created a few of my Halloween looks, and I use that glue, some of that fake blood, some of this face paint. So if you guys are interested, just scroll back in my channel to watch some of those videos. But you'll definitely be getting more looks this year during the Halloween season, and I'm so excited about that because it is one of my favorite holidays and I love creating scary, gruely looks. unpacking some of the costumes that I had hanging around in my closet. This cloak I used this past year when I was Sarah Sanderson, and it was just such a good quality cloak that I didn't want to give it away because I could use it for future costumes. I have this Batman mask that was Joel's at one point. One year Joel was a pimp, so that's his little suit from there, and I was a scary clown, and I really loved how my makeup came out for that costume. And then I also have my blonde wig when I was Sarah Sanderson last year. There's a close-up picture. And also, if you guys don't know, in 2014 I was very blonde, and so it was really nice to be reliving those blonde days for that one night last year. So that is all of my Halloween decor. I'm just going to close it up and put it in the back with all of the Christmas items. And then now I'm going to start to move on to bringing all of the items that are already in boxes that I can easily transport to the new house, and I don't have to pack them in larger boxes. Items that will be used in the kitchen, like this Topo Chico apron that they sent over to me. I have this beautiful pink apron from Growth Collaborative. I have some mats for the kitchen, and so I'm going to be placing all of this inside of this smaller box because I don't have many things that will be for the kitchen, but I wanted to keep them all in the same spot so that I don't lose track of what I have already. And I just love all of the colors and the patterns that I have for the kitchen already. I love those little dishes from Pier 1. I got those in a FabFitFun box, and then I have a lot of cute mugs. That one says good vibes only. I have another pink one that you'll see in a bit. My cute measuring cups from Target. I love those. And then there's that cute little pink mug that I was just telling you guys about, and that one is from Target as well. And then my mom gave me these really cute pink Tupperware bowls, and I want to definitely bring those with me to the new house. On to my favorite storage drawers, my candle drawers. I love candles. I love Bath & Body Works candles, the candles from Target. I just love when my apartment smells really good, and as you can see, I have a very large stash of Bath & Body Works candles. I just love buying them when they're on sale, so obviously I'm not going to go through all of these candles while I'm still here in my apartment, so I thought this would be a perfect thing to pack away. And this box ended up being so heavy, guys, because I tried to put as many candles as I could. I'm definitely not going to be moving this box. That will totally be Joel's job or my dad's, but I was able to fit all of my 3-wick candles from Bath & Body Works and also the hand soaps that are on the second level there, all inside of this box. So I thought that was really good. I didn't think that they would all fit in this box. The rest of the candles did not fit, but they will be going in a smaller box, as you guys will see in just a bit. But some of my favorite candle scents from Bath & Body Works are Leaves for the fall. I love the way that one smells. Mahogany Teak Wood has more of like a musky, masculine smell, but it smells really good. And then I also love Rose and Ivory scent and the Peach Bellini scent. They just all smell so good. So I have multiples of those inside of that box. And then moving on to the next level, I have tons of smaller candles. A lot of them, as you can see, have like clearance stickers on them. I like stocking up on my candles, especially when I see them on clearance. I also have these nice wax warmers, and I have a little bit of wax, as you can see there. And I'm going to be placing those around my house once we move in. Maybe one in my beauty room and one in the living room. And those Glade candles that I just picked up are my favorite winter scent of all time, and they are called Frosted Cookie Party. Honestly, it's a sweeter smell, but if you light them up, it smells like you just baked cookies and your entire house smells like it, and it smells amazing. So if you guys can get your hands on those this winter, definitely do it. I have 2 left from last winter. I love them and I cannot wait to light those up. So now that I'm done packing away all of my things from those drawers, I am going to wipe them down with the same disinfecting wipes from 7th generation, just to keep everything nice and clean for my dad so that he can use all of this space when I move out. I actually had one more box of Christmas decorations, so I wanted to put those in there as well. And those we actually used for Michaela's first birthday party since it was a winter wonderland. I have this really nice vase that I'm going to be using in my house, maybe in the living room area. I loved it. And I have these faux trees that are frosted, and I'll be using those in my house this winter season. And I actually have 2 big ones and 2 of the smaller ones, which you'll see in a bit. Oh, there's one right there. And these cute vases that I'll be using outside of my house. I love that. And some more house decor. So that is all that I have packed away in this area already. And oh, also this beautiful wreath that will be going on our door. But I transformed this little small space into the perfect storage area. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me packing away things for the new house and cleaning. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!